Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get the best flight deals with Skyscanner in 2025. So you will just make sure you decided your destination. I want to fly from Australia and I want to go like example Japan. I will just select the country and you will just add some filters, add nearby airport, again add nearby airport. You will just select your departure date. I want to just select it the 5th Feb and my return on 2nd March. So from here you just select your adults ratio. So if you have children you will just add it from here and simply just tap on it search. So here you will see this is the cheapest flights. This is suggest for me, and if I just add some filter cheapest flights, so this was rare is 1,63,649 rupees. So in this way you will just have to best deal flights to using Skyscanner in 2025. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.